afternoon, everybody. All right, today is power wash day. So yesterday I pulled the motor and the trans. Today I am looking to get all of this crap off of the frame. So a bunch of that stuff. It's just caked on there from a long time of just being used. And yeah, hopefully today we can power wash most of it off and get it looking clean. So stay tuned. So after about half an hour of power washing, she's looking pretty clean. I don't know if anybody else has done this, but it's pretty satisfying. I can see parts already that I've missed that I'm gonna have to go over once I stop this, but all in all, it's pretty clean. I started putting water through here, and for all of you who have taken antique cars apart before, you definitely know the smell of rat nests, and that's exactly what was in that crossbeam right there. But yeah, it's all out. Got everything pretty clean. I don't think there's anything more satisfying than having a black steering box and then it looking like that when you're done. So, got most of the frame sanded down. It's all Francine's work right there. So we're gonna go over all of it with acetone and degreaser. And put some Por15 on. First time I'm using it, so. And that's what happens while I'm working. It's talking for time. So this is coat number 1 of 2. I think it looks pretty good. So we didn't do the areas near here. Well, we tried not to. I'm gonna have to get some of that off, but so that I could cut them off and put the motor mounts just in case they don't fit the Chevy. Same thing here with the transmission support. I might have to cut that off and move it back and move it forward. We'll see. But after one coat, this thing looks pretty good. Definitely wear gloves. I didn't wear gloves. That was a mistake. probably says it on the instructions, but I don't usually read those. But I'll come back after coat number 2. Alright, so second coat. It's looking shiny, it's looking good. I'm happy with it. Like I said, we tried to not paint parts that were coming off or getting redone or getting any welds near them. So these pieces right here are getting cut off. Probably should have done that before, but we got plenty of paint left, so yeah, I'm happy. Got the frame. Got a great helper today. Went by quickly. So this dries for about 6 hours and then we can continue.